viewers, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Shopify Payout doesn't work. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your payout here in Shopify, there are going to be a few things that you can try doing here. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to check your payment status first. So typically, in order for you to do so, you want to go to your settings here, so at the bottom left, and from here you want to go to payments. Now, in here, or in this case, in your admin panel, if there's any alerts or issues here, you just need to click on the appropriate links and just follow the instructions provided on the page to resolve it. Now, Shopify will notify you if there's problems preventing the payouts here. Usually, you just need to, again, just follow the steps that require you. Now, usually they might require you to verify yourself or verify your bank details, so go ahead and just do that. And typically, it will resolve itself automatically if you do follow the steps that they've provided, or the alert if you just follow the steps that provided in the alert here. And also, another thing you may want to do here is you may want to check your payout schedule. So in this case, typically in the same page here, you should see, or once you have your accounts set up here, you should see an option here for payouts, which allows you to basically see your payments. So in this case, for your payout, to see upcoming deposit dates, and also if you want to update that, just make sure that you know, or the date that you want to receive your payout is properly set up. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you want to review transactions or transactions that are currently on hold. Now, in this case, if Shopify has placed a hold on your funds due to verification or fraud checks, so you need to contact Shopify support by searching Shopify Help Center. So usually at the top right is where you'll see it. Go ahead and click on your store and click on the Help Center option here. And usually at the right side, you'd see a bot that you could talk to, which in this case, you just need to ask the bot that you need assistance on your payouts and you want to talk to a representative. You go ahead and just ask them, and they will connect you with a representative, and they will be able to help you in resolving this issue. Because sometimes, although you did verify yourself, verify your bank in this page here, a representative is still required to release the payment. So in this case, contacting them is the best thing that you could do moving forward if you are still encountering this issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to Len app. Thank you for watching.